Well, a solid profile can look like this, but it does not need to. Did you know that? Today, I will show you how you can build your own solid profile that looks the way you want it to. Welcome to Practical Solid. I will show you how to do this using plain HTML and PodOS elements. We will just start by creating a plain HTML file, name it my profile, and then we can put in whatever we like here to design our page. I did a bit of a shortcut here and asked an AI to build a typical profile page for me. And now we can start adding data from our real profile into it. So to do so, we just insert PodOS into the HTML head. We will be loading it from CDN. And now we can create a new POS app, add the body, also close it at the end, and now we can use PodOS elements inside our HTML file. Let's first replace the name with POS label to see our real name. Oh, I forgot to add the resource as well. We need the POS resource, and I will be using my own web ID here. Close it just at the end of the page, and now you can see my name showing up here already. Perhaps also replace the image with my own. See how this works. It doesn't work. Oh, it's a wrong pause picture. So okay. Yeah, this does not work quite well with the generated HTML. We'll do something about this later by adding some custom CSS. But we could also, let me think, we could also apply some custom styling using CSS variables here, I think. Okay. Yeah, then we still need to center it, but this can wait for now. Let's first replace the dummy intro text with POS description here. So now that is my description showing up. And next we will be taking a look at the friend list. This will get a bit more complex than just adding another POS element, but is also doable. But first, let's quickly fix the profile header by applying display flags and centering all the stuff. So, and then there is a dummy profile username left over, we will just remove. And now I think it's actually only the friend list that is remaining. Let's take a look. So we have several friend cards here. I will remove all but one for now. So one should be left. Okay, great. Let's remove the number here as well. And now we can start using a POS list element and put the friend card in it as a template. And then we just need to tell the list to loop over the friend list. To find out the URI we will need for the POS list element, we will just open the profile in the PodOS browser And then we can scroll to the data that is of interest. In this case, it is the list of friends, which is referenced by something called nose. And if you click on it, it will expand to the full URL. We can copy this one and then just go back to the HTML code and paste it in here. And now we can see already a real or multiple friends showing up. The name is not real yet, but we can change this by adding just a POS label in here instead of the dummy name. We don't need to add anything else because the list already sets the context. So this makes sure it is actually the label of the friend in this case, which doesn't show a name because the friend data is not fetched. But we can change this by adding the fetch property to the POS list. And now we can see the friend data is fetched and the names show up. We can also add the picture here. And then the picture also will show up, but we also need to add some style for them as well. I can fix this issue by adding some style to the friend avatar, overflow hidden, and some styles for the actual POS picture element, and then everything is nice. Not all the people have pictures, but that's fine. I noticed that I cannot scroll here. This seems to be something else I need to fix. I need to add overflow auto and hide auto to HTML and body element, and this does the trick. I'm not sure if this is even a PodOS bug. I will look into it, but now it is working and we can actually scroll down our whole friend list. Let's see why these are not aligned as a grid anymore as the example data was. Aha, yeah, the friends grid is displayed as a grid, but it only contains one element now, the single POS list. What we actually need to do is apply the layout to the POS list so that the child of the list are layouted as a grid. And now we can see it is working. Yeah, as you can see, all the remote profiles are loading and then displaying, and it all looks like a nice friends list or friends grid in this case. So that should be it for now. I think this shows how you could do this and how you can build your own profile page facilitating data from your pod. And this allows also more complex things, of course. Yeah, I can show you an example of a profile page I actually built for myself. It can be found on my pod at PodOS profile HTML. And yeah, here you can see my profile page built with PodOS elements. And it also has a friend list and some basic information about me. And also a list of talks and presentations I did, as well as contact information and public bookmarks I store on my pod. So yeah, there's quite a lot you can do today already building with HTML and PodOS elements. So I'm curious to see what you are doing with it. Yeah, if you have anything to show or any questions about this, please share a comment under this video or contact me using one of the options on my profile page. So see you next time and have fun building stuff with Solid.